Hi guys, this is Joe Travel and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time I'm going to react the new performance video of BGYO with the song entitled Bulalakaw. So I'm really excited for this one guys because this is their new song. And they just dropped this performance video yesterday. So I'm really excited to make my reaction. But before I proceed to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. Hello Aces! So excited na ako nito guys kasi ito yung bagong ano nila, bagong performance video. Tingnan natin. So guys, if you haven't seen any of my reaction to BGYO, just check on my channel. EBS-CBN. Nakatamis ng EBS-CBN. Ooh! Akira! Jello! Wow, GL. Mickey. Nate. So, it's a ballad song. Wow. Binatang-binata na si Nate. Jello pa seductive ang looks. Gumanda na talagang boses nila sa gwapo ni Ake. Ganda ng sasakyan. Ang ganda ng ano nila sa site location, sa outdoor. Wow. Boses ni JL. Ito talagang strength niya pag ganitong mga kanta. Ganda ng kanta nila. Ganda ng ano, pagkagawa ng lyrics. Ganda ng meaning ng song. Boses ni Ake. Wow. How's this one? Mickey. Ooh. Fashionista talaga to si Mickey. O, tingnan mo yung outfit, yung dating. Okay na siya na kumakanta ng mga ganitong kanta sa yung mga ballad. Wow guys, ang ganda ng ano nila, yung site location. Gustong-gusto ko yung ano, sa outdoor, yung kay Mickey at saka kay Akira. Ang ganda tingnan din. Wow guys, ang ganda ng pagkasulat ng kata, yung paglapat ng melody, ang ganda. So, akala ko guys, yung performance video nila is more on like upbeat song or this, eto Bulalakaw, upbeat song. Kasi nga, performance video, akala ko yung may mga sayaw-sayaw sila pero hindi pala. So, it's a ballad song plus boses nila talagang nag-improve from Nate, Jello, and Mickey. Parang komportable na sila kumanta ng mga ganitong kanta. Naninibago lang ako guys kasi most likely, most of the music video or performance video they have is more on like dancing. So it seems like this one is like a music video itself. Wow. Plus, ang boses ni JL at Akira, pag sila dalawa talagang kumanta, parang dama-dama mo yung song or yung emotions na nilagay nila sa kanta. Ang ganda ng pakinggan. Ang ganda ng mga boses nila, ang ganda ng pakinggan, ang ganda ng site location, yung kulay ng video, parang ano ba yung tinatawag? Sepia ata yun, sepia or something like this. So na felt there, parang ano siya, hindi siya colored but parang more likely like marami siyang pula or orange na ganyan. Parang ganda ng tingin. Wow. So, proceed natin. Wow, GL talaga. Wow! Bulala ka. Parang ang dali sabayan ng kanta nila guys ha. Ganda ng outfit ni Aki oh. Cool na cool. Pupug ito si GL oh. Jello, pa-sexy ang dating ngiti eh. Parang tumaba si Nate sa yung nag-gain ng little weight ba? Kasi nangano yung mukha niya. Okay oh. Ganda ng harmony nila. Klarong-klaro yung mga boses nila ah. Ang taas ng boses ni Aki. Wow. Asan na yung shooting star? Bulala ka. Wow. Ang ganda. Ang ano guys, yung songs nila, ang bilis, ang dali niya sabayan kasi parang slow siya, parang ang ganda ng meaning ng kanta din. Nakaka-enjoy. Part ito ng albums guys or single lang? Kasi matagal-tagal na din silang walang walang ganap. Walang bagong mga music video. Pero ang ganda, ang saya. Ang sarap nila panoorin. So, there you go guys, my reaction to the performance video of BGYO with the song entitled Bulalakaw. So, I hope you like and enjoy this reaction. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now.